Minister wa urimi na ndethi ya thirikari nene Franklin Mithika Linturi ni aritite mukana kiria athii ba MUTUU Jwa Nkimare augite bari na NTUKU mugwanja kurita ukuji bwa kuonania ni bagitite baruga cha kugura MPEMPE nthiguru cha OOME bagitiri ugoti bwa thirikari kenda benamia maguri ja MUTUU kiri mwananchi wa kawaida. Hamwe nabo Mithika ni ataririte guti MPEMPE kuma nthiguru cha OOME igetikirirwa gutonya nthigurune kuma mweri jwa 8 kwethirwa arimi nuntu arimi ni bambiritie guketha MPEMPE untu bura bugatethereria bo kwethirwa bakigurirwa MPEMPE chao na maguri ja mega na nyumene kumbithia kwina makwa uguri bwa MUTUU. Minister wa urimi ndene ya thirikari nene Mithika Linturi nonanitie kurega kung'anirwa kwawe kiria athii ba MUTUU Jwa Nkima akiuga atikenetio kinyani ni untu athii ba batigutethereria gutigira MUTUU Jwa maguri ja nthi ijukuoneka.
August. We are now after 30% of the period is now gone. I've closely been monitoring the inflows of our food requirements if the country since that time, and I'm not impressed by the performance or by your performance in terms of trying to assist us provide the very essential commodities that we required.
Nongerete thirikari itikara nthi na gwetera athii ba kurita ngugi gutina wirigiro.
And I cannot sit here as the policy director of this ministry or a representative of His Excellency the President, charged with the responsibility of advising and supporting him achieve his agenda. Just sit down and carelessly wait endlessly from you people to be able, or with the hope that you'll be able to meet your part of the bargain without a clear framework, without a clear understanding on the timelines that you are supposed to be able to meet your end of bargain.
Akiuga nandi agatwa ntaira inge cha gutigira Kenya ne bakuona irio bya kung'ana.
It is important because we have time. I need an urgent meeting because I really need to get now organize and change the strategy because Kenyans must have food. And towards change of strategy, and of course being a person who believes in the law, who believes in fair administrative procedures, I decided that it is important for me to hear from your end what is really happening, what each one of you may have to say because of the delayed inflows of the food commodities into our market.